With this thing in your back pocket, you have the comfort of knowing that blowing minds is a guarantee. My name is Spidey, and this is Tidal Wave. What's going on, everyone? Spidey here, and I want to talk to you about one of my favorite routines that I use to open up my close-up performances. This combines a classic of card magic and one of the most popular close-up mentalism tricks ever released in the history of mentalism. And combined, they create a killer experience for your audience. I'm going to show you something legendary, something that I don't even know if it works because magicians only whisper about it in secret. It's a myth, it's a legend. To start off, you demonstrate your amazing sleight of hand skills as 4 cards turn over, impossibly one at a time. Then you set the cards down and just 1 card turns over. But here's the kicker. It's the card that the spectator randomly thought of. You said black, you said spades. I don't touch the cards. Watch. The double wave. Did I touch the cards? If this works, we've just become legends. And I expect chaos. You said black, you said spades. It was your call. I didn't even touch the cards. And yet, the king of spades is the only one that is face up. That's it, just the freaking spades. I want you to try to connect with this. Try to see it through my own eyes. Was it the diamonds or the hearts?
It's the hearts.
It's the hearts?
I think so.
Do you want to change your mind?
Nope.
I told you that magic is sleight of hand and mentalism is not. How can I possibly do sleight of hand if I didn't even touch the cards? I turned over only one of these kings. King of hearts, there it is, yes. This trick is practical. It takes up pretty much no pocket space. Each phase gets better and better and builds up to an epic finale. And the best part is, it's so easy that this mentalist has been doing it for over a decade. Queen of spades, the only one that turns face up without me even touching the cards. What?
Incredible.
Isn't that crazy?
You're the legend.
No, I'm not the legend. The legend, they say, is a very tall, handsome guy. I'm the legend.